Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Avner, and today we're going to be learning about how to find the area and also perimeter of the square. So we did before rectangle, but today we're going to do now square. So, how do we do square? Well, we don't have to do the code for square like how we did for rectangle. Pretty simple. We just write the code for rectangle. Then all we do is use inheritance. That's why inheritance is really important in using Python. Especially when you're using classes, like oops. But if you use inheritance, it's easier. You don't have to do like a full coding of the for the square. So all we have to do is just make the class rectangle and do the area and perimeter. Then we do square. So for square, I'll tell you how. There's a new function we'll meet too. So let's first get it. I'm revising it. I'm doing it again. Okay, so oh, wait. Class. Okay, yeah, rectangle. Now simple. Define. Oh, oh my God. Define in it. So always after we're making our class, we have to always do this. Define init, self, comma, what? Length, length, comma, width. I think yes, width. And then self dot L equals to length. Self dot W equals to width. That's it. Then, yeah, that's basically pretty much it. So this is what you have to do after you make your class. Always. It's important to do it. Especially when you get to advanced stuff. Oops. Even basics. You should always do it. So let's continue. Define. Now we have to make area. Area, I think it's pretty easy. I mean, area is, I don't think it's easy. It's easy. It's easy. Area, self, and then area equals to self dot, what is it? L times self dot W. So length times width basically. But we're doing self dot L times self dot W to refer the object. And when we're making a function, define area or whatever, inside the parenthesis, we always write self when we're doing oops. It's important to use because it refers the object. Okay, now we have to print. Okay, I forgot that. Print. Then we have to print the area. So let's make a sentence. The area is area. Then define perimeter, not perimeter, but perimeter. Self. We always have to use them because as I said, and a long time ago when we were using oops, it's to refer the object. That's why we need self. It's really important. That's the use of it. Or else, guess what? It just throws the error. Oh yeah, a capital P. Let's just first copy this. Here, Control V. A P. Wait, what? Oh, I was doing capital. My God. P. Now perimeter equals to, you guys know. Okay, 2 times 2 bracket, I mean, Okay, not self, but length plus width. So self dot L plus self dot W. And we have to use times because if we just do bracket, it doesn't understand in Python that bracket actually means times. But in math, bracket means times. So, but we have to do here 2 times the sign, so star for times, and then put the bracket self dot L plus self dot W. And then print, print formatting. We can use formatting instead of using basic like comma and then write the variable. This is easier. So, and also better too, to just tell you. The sorry, the perimeter is, did I perimeter. Then that's it. But we're not gonna then do rectangle 1 equals to that because we need to find the area and perimeter for square. But we're not gonna do a whole long code like how we did for rectangle. So all we're going to do is class square. Then what we're going to do is use inheritance. That's why I made that video a long time ago, inheritance. You're like, what's the use of it? But this is the use of it. So you don't have to do long codes. You can just use inheritance, done. It saves your time, it's easy. Saves the memory, and it's too easy. It doesn't take that much time. It saves it saves time basically. So rectangle. But why am I doing this? Why can't I just do parenthesis triangle? Well, it's because basically rectangle and square both actually have the same perimeter and area, you can say. That's why I'm doing parenthesis rectangle, but not hexagon, triangle, and all of that. That's why I'm doing that. Okay? Then we don't have to do the whole code. So what we have to do, define init. Okay. Then, because since in rectangle, only two sides are equal, so basically we can say the opposite sides are equal in rectangle. That's why we're using here in rectangle length, comma width. But here in square, right, all the sides are equal. So if I find already a length if I find a value for one side of a square, I can find it for the whole sides of the square. But for rectangle, it's only opposite. So I don't have to do like side comma side. All I have to do is side. Done. That's it. Oh, self. I forgot that. Yeah, self side. Now all we have to do is now use super. Super is something like, what can you say? So super basically is, what does it mean? Super is like the child. So let's say, because, okay, let's make this easier. Yes. So look, now let's go back to relationship, like how we did in inheritance. Look here. Rectangle, let's just say R for rectangle, is the father. He's the father. Then if we go down, we meet square. Oh, I did. Yes, we have square. So S for square. He's the son. So let's say SON, so we don't make it confusing because I already have S there, son. Now here, son can access, oh my god, son can access the properties of the father. Basically means the square can access the properties of rectangle. So that's what super means. Or you can say super key. So that's what super means. So let's erase all of this. It's easier if I do that. Okay. Then init. Oh, what did I do? Init. Then after that, parenthesis, side, comma, side. That's it. Because length and width are now side, comma, side. Because in rectangle, my bad. In square, in square, all the sides are equal. So that's why we're doing side, comma, side. Then that's it. All we have to do is write the object and write it. So rectangle 1 equals to rectangle, okay, rectangle 24 comma 30, and then rectangle 1 dot area rectangle 1 dot perimeter. Oh, rectangle 1 dot perimeter. I meant to say perimeter. Perimeter, yeah, perimeter, exactly. Let's now run it. We'll do for square, but you already know the area and perimeter because I showed you in the last video. So now I don't have to do like yeah, square 1 dot area and stuff like that. Because look, I said no. Because I don't have to like square equals to square 1 equals to square 10 comma 10. I can just write 10. Okay? Because all the sides are equal. And if I found a value for one side in the square, I can find it for all the other sides in the square. So what I do, square 1 equals to square, let's say 10. Okay, square 1 dot area. Let's try it. See? Now we can do perimeter. Square 1 dot perimeter. Why do I say that? Okay, perimeter. Okay, run it. Probably takes some time. Wait. Capital P, I mean. Okay. Oh yeah, just take some time so we can wait. Yeah, see? Now, it's not gonna make sense if I just say area is 100, perimeters 40. We have to use a unit because in math we use units like centimeter, centimeter square, and all of that. So that makes sense. So all I have to do is centimeter. So if you want to write square, like let's say in Python, I want to print cm and then square on the top like that. How can I do that? Well, I'm gonna teach you. Okay. So where is it? Yes, here, centimeter. Oh my bad. U, 00, OB. I mean B2. Yeah, see? Now you can see here, it wrote square, look square, and square. Now we have to write centimeter for perimeter. Perimeter. Why do I say that? So square here, centimeter, centimeter. Now it makes sense now, right? This whole sentence makes sense. It now makes sense. Now it's like math. basically. Okay? So thank everyone for listening about how to find the area and perimeter of square. I I think that was easy work because we use inheritance, and that's how easy it is to literally use inheritance. It's like the job. It's easy like as this. You can just do it in no time. Easy work, easy work. Light work, easy work. See, that's the importance of inheritance. So thank everyone for listening. If you didn't know what super is, as I told you, you can go look back to my video again. You can just go back 30 seconds back if you didn't know what it means, okay? And bye, don't forget to like and also subscribe. Bye, guys.